So you got to know, students, that every object, every matter is made up of an atom, and that is having any kind of charge particle on it because it is having electrons also. Then what is static electricity and what is current electricity? So static electricity is the kind of electricity that deals when the charge particles are not in motion, that is static. Okay, static, that is stopped. Fine. And current electricity is a kind of electricity that deals with a moving charge, that the charge particle, that is electron mainly, and it is moving into the conductor. Okay, so here let me tell you one example. So have you ever seen this kind of thing with you at home, and it randomly happens with you? I guess, I can bet you. Yes, whenever you try to comb, and in winter especially, your hairs got stick into the comb. Why? Is can happen, and is it can be happen with a metallic comb also? Yes, no, because it is an insulator, and when we are going to rub any kind of insulator, whenever an insulator get rubbed, okay, any kind of insulator, its electrons get energy and they leave their atomic shell and move out of them and get a free electron. They will convert themselves into a free electron, that we are not a part of this atom right now and we are flow to free. But because it is an insulator, an insulator won't allow any electron to flow through it. So what happened to those electrons now? Those electrons will come over the surface of the insulator. Okay, let me draw you one diagram. Suppose this is an insulator ball and electrons will come over the surface. Now, wherever they will get a chance to go towards the low potential, that is, they are at high potential right now. I am going to tell you what is potential actually. Okay, and let me tell you, they will go to zero balance. Okay, there are more balance and go to the zero balance. Okay, so wherever they get the chance to flow, they will flow. And that makes the static electricity. Okay, but in case of current electricity, they are deliberately want to flow into the conductor. Okay, so there is a difference. That is the static electricity. Electrons will get out of their atomic shells and come over the surface of the insulator. Then whenever they get the chance, they will go to the conductor. Okay, but in conduction, mainly in conduction, they will not do such things. They have responsibility, they have the independence to flow into the conductor, so they will flow. So this leads us to some factual facts that the metals are good conductors of electricity. Yes, this is true. And they allow charges to flow. Yes, this is true. And plastics are insulators and they hold up charged particles to come on the surface. That is why we see static electricity in insulators and current electricity in conductors.